You know that the success of your Shopify store depends on a variety of factors, but getting to know your customers remains a perennial need and can even boost sales as much as 9%. And I mean really knowing them, not just their email address and shipping address. Now, at a glance, this may seem tricky when using Shopify's customer accounts, previously known as new customer accounts. I have a whole video on the difference between Shopify customer accounts, so take a look at that. Anyway, the new system doesn't even require customers to input their first or last name when they sign up on your store, much less any custom information like hair color, product preference, favorite color, etc. In the past, merchants would attempt to collect this additional information from the customers up front during the initial registration process. This is no longer the case, as Shopify is in the middle of a massive shift from traditional front-loaded registration to a more modern approach using a passwordless sign-up experience. Shopify has changed the game again, and this time for the better. So how can you collect additional data from your customers when using the new system? Well, the answer is with an app that uses Shopify customer account extensions, like our Customer Fields app. Need to learn more about Shopify's customer account extensions? I've got a whole video about those that I've linked in the description. Our Customer Fields app allows you to create custom profile forms. These forms can be added directly to your store's customer portal using two different ways. One, using a block on the profile page, and the other is by creating an entirely new page. These new forms allow you to ask your customers specific questions so you can really get to know your customers after they've logged in. And the best part is that all of this valuable information gets saved directly to Shopify as customer metafields. That means the data is usable everywhere in your store's ecosystem, including things like your CRM, apps like Shopify Flow that use metafields for triggered actions. The sky is literally the limit here. And with our prompt extensions, you can even incentivize this process by using a custom banner just to make sure your customers aren't missing anything. We already have a handful of pre-made templates for specific use cases, and there's a link in the description for a free 14-day trial of Customer Fields, so take advantage of that. Drop a comment below with what you'd like to see on a customer portal page. This feature is brand new, and any and all feedback is just going to make this feature better for everyone. And as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Helium for more Shopify goodness.